Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Gaura and today I am sharing my small one-door fridge organization with you all. Fridge is an important part of the household as it makes your kitchen functional. This is my fridge and one side of the fridge comes in contact with the cooking process every day as it is just next to the cooking stove. So I have placed this Dollar Tree sticky liner here. It looks good and I can easily wipe out the oil sprinkles from this side. As it is a rented apartment, so everything is checked and charged if unclean at the time of moving out. So I have to take care of all this, and also it is very easy for me to clean out every day just by spraying the cleaning liquid, and I can just wipe out with the help of a microfiber cloth. So my fridge, it looks clean from this side. Next I will show you my fridge door. There are three small shelf or section into the fridge drawer. On the first section, this is the first one. So here I have kept my cream cheese spread and the butter spread for the bread and sandwiches. Coming just below to this, you will see there is one basket sort of. This is I have taken from my daughter's wipes. So when the wipes got finished, I have cleaned that and using this box here. So here all my condiments and all supplies are there. Organic basil leaves, chia seeds and cheese spread, soya sauce, all these things. Just next to them you will see I have kept the this one peanut butter and avocado mayonnaise and the ginger garlic paste. Coming to the last section, in this there is ketchup. There is a glass box in which I have kept my pancake mix because it required refrigeration. The instruction said that I have to refrigerate that, and some cold drinks. And apart from that, there is some space still left, so that space is for keeping the pasta sauce. So as right now my pasta sauce is finished. So this is all I keep into my fridge door. Whatever I need, I have kept only those things. And my daughter, she is just 2 years now, so her taste preferences and all those things are not there. As the kids grow, their demands, their taste preferences, they increases. So right now only certain things are there which we use on everyday basis. And sometime I keep a small cut lemon into this place so that my fridge is odorless. Now let me show you the main compartment of my fridge. So this is the main compartment of the fridge. On the topmost shelf there is a green basket with a handle. I took it from Dollar Tree and I keep my tomatoes, ginger, lemon and green chilies in this, which I need on a daily basis. This basket is really handy to take out anytime. On the other side, I keep boxes of leftover food, so I always remember to finish them. First of all, there is still some space left in the center purposefully so that I can keep any big bowl or any big container or any other miscellaneous items over here in the center. So this is all for the first shelf. These are all the boxes of the leftover food on one side. On one side I keep my basket, and still there is some space left in the center where I can keep any miscellaneous item or some my batter box or something. Coming on to the middle section, these are some of the buns for pav bhaji, or else I keep my bread packet over here. And towards the other side I keep my all meal prep items, all the veggies which I do the chopping and keep for the weekdays. So I do not prep all the veggies, only some of the veggies which I know I will definitely be able to use them for the week, I cut, and otherwise some of the veggies I keep as it is in the fridge. So these are right now capsicum I have some curry leaves, some paneer, some cabbage which is cut, all these things into this meal prep thing. And on the one side I have buns because I have a plan to make pav bhaji. Coming on to the base cabinet of the fridge, as this is little sturdy, so I keep all my heavy bottled items over here, like the milk bottles, yogurt bottle, any juice bottles. Right now I'm having this apple juice. On the other side I keep anything which are bigger in size and cannot be occupied on the other shelf. I don't keep the milk bottles at the topmost shelf, although it is said to be the coldest part of the fridge, because it is a small fridge and I prefer is much better like this way, and much practical and smooth and functional for me if I keep it like this way. So that this, now you can see there is one big box. In this I have kept all my coriander leaves. 2 bundle coriander leaves were there. I had to make green chutney from that. So this is coriander leaves. Otherwise this place is occupied by something other which is much bigger in size. Right now this one bottle, yogurt bottle, all these things is there. But when my whole fridge is full after doing the grocery, there are 2-3 milk bottles at a time, the juice and the yogurt, spinach, all that things are there in the fridge. So it is important for me to keep the bottled or big bottles over here, so that the upper part is easily handled. Otherwise all these big bottles, if I keep at the topmost shelf, it becomes difficult. So this is how this section looks when the fridge is full. You can see after the weekly grocery I keep all the big bottles at the back. This is one bag of spinach which you can see. This bag I have taken from Costco, and most of the time we take this bag. Actually it is triple washed, and this spinach, it does not get spoiled easily. It remain fresh for a long period of time, for at least 15 to 20 to 22 days, and its best buy date and use by date is very long. So we can use in smoothies, we can use for paratha, for palak paneer or any recipe. So this is how I keep this compartment. This is the main compartment of my fridge, and this is a very practical way, very functional way for me, that how I organize it. So after showing this, let me show you what I keep into my the lowest drawers of the fridge. Let me show you next to that. Let me show you the drawers of my fridge. On this side of the drawer, in this I have my vegetables, and these vegetables are into the veggie bags in which they came from the store. For some vegetables I do the meal prep, I do the choppings, but I do not chop each and every vegetable. I chop accordingly which will be able to be used into the week. And other vegetables I keep over here. I keep like this way, and I feel it remains much fresh like this. And into the other drawer I keep all the fruits. So right now I have apple and grapes. In this way also I keep the fruits in the bags in which they came from the store. And when we have to eat the fruits, I take out the required amount of fruit and wash them and keep them at the room temperature, and then after some time we eat them when they are ready to eat. So I keep the rest fruits into the fridge, and before we have to eat them I take the fruits out and wash them and keep them at room temperature. So this is how I do it. Let me show you the outside part of the fridge. So this is the topmost portion and outside part of the fridge. You will see this notepad. It is a magnetic notepad. it get stick easily, and I have taken it from Dollar Tree for $1. It's really good when I'm working in the kitchen, something gets finished, or I have an important phone call to do which I may forget, so I write over here, and whenever I'm into the kitchen it will remind me of that particular thing. And this is the freezer section, you can see. So after showing you all the parts of the lower side of my fridge, now here comes the freezer section of my fridge. You will not find many things, but yes, these are 2 trays which I always refill again and again. Coming on to the ready to eat kind of things, I always keep some snacks kind of things always handy, because most of the times our friends come to meet. So if in a hurry, I can make tea and samosa or these spring rolls, so it is good that I can bake them anytime. And these are organic vegetables and some sweet peas, frozen vegetables, which I can use in anything. And rest, there is still some space left in between. In summer we can keep ice cream over here or any miscellaneous things which comes in. So this is the main compartment for the freezing section. So these are all the things which I keep over here. This is Suki samosa, and these spring rolls we have taken from Costco. And into the freezer door, you will see into the lower section I keep all my spices. Some spices I have not opened yet, some are opened. So some of my friend told me that spices remain fresh like this way, so I tried, and trust me, it remained really fresh like this way. When my friends used to store them, they are very senior from me, they have a long experience of cooking and everything, so they told me to do this, and I done like this, and it's really helpful. Into the upper section, that is or very empty section, you will see some chia seeds are over here, and some frozen coconut flakes. So this is all into the freezer section. Rest, there is nothing much over here. Whatever I eat, whatever is there. And to the top of the fridge there is one dalia or a basket, you can see, and in this I keep my potatoes at room temperature. They remain fresh like this. So this is all of my fridge. And so just see the video. If you can like any of my tips or any of my organization, this is how I do it. If you like something, then please implement it. If you don't like something, just forget this. So thank you very much for watching, and keep connected. Lots of love to you all, and a very heartful welcome and thanks from Hope You Relate. Bye bye, take care.